Hi guys, this is the fourth video of a four-part series on how to use a cane as an exercise tool. The good thing about a cane is that not only is it good for support, and you can also use it for exercise, but you can also use it as an improvised weapon. Now I'm a firm believer that the more fun an exercise is, the more likely you are to do it, and the longer you're likely to do it. And learning how to use a cane as an improvised weapon is just fun. Now, I'm not telling you to use this as a weapon, I'm just telling you to use it as an exercise tool. But you can use improvised weapons as an exercise tool. It's like hitting a heavy bag. You're not using it to hurt somebody, you just use it to exercise with. And to start with, I need to tell you what the 9 angles of attack are. Because no matter how you strike, whether you strike with your hands, or you strike with a weapon, or if you strike with a pop bottle or whatever, you can only strike in these 9 general areas of attack. This is angle number 1. This is angle number 2. Angle 3. Angle 4. Angle 5. Angle 6. Angle 7. And angle 8. And the 9th is the center. And that would be like for a thrust or a jab. So basically what you have is a cross with an X intersecting in the center of the cross. So it forms what looks like a star. Okay, what I want to show you now is how to grip the cane. Now you can use the cane in this manner, but you have to be able to rotate the palms in any direction. Now when you slide your palm around the cane, you never lose contact with the cane. The first technique I want to show you is a thrust. Now if you're in the military, you'll recognize these movements because these movements are used for civil disturbance, for right baton training, and also for bayonet training. For instance, this is the port position. Now from this position, you can go to the on guard position. The on guard position is with the forearm protecting your throat. But it isn't necessary to do that. You can do all these movements from the port position. So the first technique I'm going to show you is the thrust, the short thrust. And all you do is slide your cane down, and you're going to advance forward. You'll move your front foot first and your rear foot last. The second technique is the diagonal slash. The diagonal slash is from the port position, and all you're doing is you're driving down in a diagonal manner, and you're advancing. The third technique is the vertical butt stroke. And this time, you're taking the bottom of the cane here, and you're moving in an upward vertical manner. And I'm advancing with my rear leg. Now I can combine that by stepping forward, then advancing, but that's the technique. The fourth technique is the horizontal butt stroke. And all I'm doing this time is I'm stepping forward and I'm moving the cane horizontally in a circular motion. The fifth technique is a baton smash. Baton smash, you spring the cane horizontally across your chest, and you can do this with both hands facing in the same direction, or in this manner, and you're just thrusting forward, and that's it. The fifth strike that I want to show you is the overhead smash, and all you're doing is you're lifting the cane to the side of your head in this manner, and you're thrusting downward in this manner. Now, one technique I didn't show you is called the long thrust, because I don't think it's necessary. But if you wish, this is an alternate movement you can make. And the long thrust is you go into the short thrust position, except for when you, instead of the short thrust, you're going to extend the arm fully out. Now, this is not a technique that I advise you to do because somebody can grab your cane if you were to use for self-defense. And since I don't suggest it for self-defense, I don't want you to learn it, because what you practice is what you'll do in real life. And one more technique I want to show you, which is not a military bayonet or right baton technique, is a katana strike. And a katana strike is basically, you slide your hand down in this manner over your head, and you would strike like you would a sword. It's a power move, but it's very effective. So let me show you the strikes again. Short thrust, vertical butt stroke, diagonal slash, horizontal butt stroke, overhead smash, and a katana strike. So let me demonstrate on my heavy bag. Doing a short thrust, I'm doing a vertical butt stroke, horizontal butt stroke, overhead smash, and katana strike. So the fun about this is you get to be creative, and by doing this, the cane as an improvised weapon, not only are you developing your strength and endurance, but also your balance and coordination, and even your cognitive functions. So the fun of using improvised weapons is practicing a very different combination you can do. As you can see, you can get quite a workout in it. Well, there you go, guys. Something different. Like I said, the more fun an exercise is, the more likely you are to do it, the longer you're likely to do it. So this is using the FIT principle of frequency, intensity, and time. The more you do it, the more intense you do it, and the longer you do it, the faster you'll get fit. That's all. Thanks for watching.